How to invite friends in BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can invite your friends on BingX and earn rewards. BingX's referral program lets you share your invite link or code so you and your friend both can get bonuses when they sign up and start trading. First things first, open the BingX application on your mobile device and log in. And once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you end up in your profile section, go ahead and click on the Refer button at the top. This will take you to your Refer Friends page from where you can earn up to 50% commission for referring a friend. Go ahead and look for your referral code or your referral link. You can tap on the referral code option to copy the referral code. You can also share the referral link directly to your friends by tapping the referral link option. And now you can use this referral link and share it via your contacts. If you tap on the More button, you can go ahead and share it via other social messaging platforms. You can also copy the referral link and share it via SMS, email, or any other social app you prefer. Just find your friend and paste in the referral code or link. Complete any required steps. Now your friend must register using your referral link or code. Complete any required steps such as verifying their account and making their first trade. And once your friend meets the referral criteria, both you and your friend will receive rewards like bonus tokens, free discounts, or other incentives. So that is how you can easily refer or invite friends in BingX and start earning referral rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.